Hi there, welcome to another video from Howard Piano Industries. We're going to show you today an example of a problem, easy to fix, but it's a problem with this piano. It's got some hammers that the flange screws are loose. And so we're going to show you just, it's a pretty easy fix, but we'll show you what kind of symptoms it has when we have this problem. We've got several keys throughout it that have this issue, but I'm just going to show you on one here. This hammer here, you can hear kind of a clicking noise. Even when I go like this, you can kind of hear a clicking noise even when it's not hitting the string. There's one next to it, the screw is nice and tight. I've already tightened that one. Okay, so besides the clicking noise, you know, if you take your finger and you can see that this hammer wobbles back and forth. The one next to it doesn't move much, okay, but this one you can see, and that's a good sign that either the flange screw is loose, or it could be that the flange pin is too loose. But I've already determined that it's not the flange pin, but it's the flange screw. So we've got our flange screwdriver here. It's got a wide tip at the end, and I've got a combination tool handle. Pretty easy to fix this. So we're going to go ahead and tighten this screw down here. Let's see if I can do it without. Okay, and I don't know if you can see back there, but probably can't. But it's back behind the jack, okay? If I look at one of these that we can see from the side, here we've got this piece right here is the catcher, and you got the catcher shank underneath there. And I'm just going to put this fall board down so we can get a little bit better look. Okay, on this one you can see from the side, this piece right here that I'm moving is the jack. In the back behind the jack, you can see that there's a screw right there, okay? And so you got to get your head of your screwdriver on it, and this isn't the one I'm going to fix, but you can kind of see that if you can get your the head of the screwdriver on there, and then turn it. Okay, so that one was a little bit loose too, but I'm going to go back to this one and do the same thing, which you won't be able to see very well, but I'm going to turn the screw, tighten it up. Sometimes it's a little tricky. There we go, got it, that one tightened. Now, well, let me try it again. That didn't seem to fix it. It's possible I turned the wrong screw. Or the screw for the wrong note. Yep, that was it. I turned the screw for the note next to it. All right, let's try it again here. There we go. The clicking is gone, and the hammer doesn't move at all. So that's, like I say, it's an easy fix, fairly easy fix. You got to have a screwdriver with at least a long shank or a long shaft on it, and if it's got the wide head on it like this one does, like our action flange screwdriver, it's pretty easy to get back there behind there to tighten that screw. But just wanted to show you that as an example of a problem you may run across that's fairly easy to fix if it is the screw that's causing the problem. But to see all of our videos, please visit our website. It's howardpianoindustries.com, or you can like us on our YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe. Thanks.